The Pancake Good Morning. So a good morning motion is essentially folding at the hips. You're going to keep your knees straight throughout the motion, and you're going to keep your back straight throughout the motion. The Pancake Good Morning, this is the elevated version of it, so the sort of beginner friendly version is like this. So things to note is that you really want to tighten up your quads, which will lock your knees nice and straight. And you might have heard I was doing the breath thing, so breathing in at the top, holding until I get to here, and then coming out. To make this more challenging, there's a couple of ways to do that. One would be to grab a barbell and pop it across your back. So same thing, coming down as far as you can, and then up. When I say coming down as far as you can, down as far as you can without rounding your spine. If you start rounding your spine, it turns into a different exercise, one that we're not going to focus on today. So remember, locking the knees down, engaging the hips, so like pulling your thighs into your hips, and keeping a nice straight spine, like you're trying to lift your chest up towards the wall in front of you. Now, if you've got the mobility, you can dispose of the elevated box and do the same thing on the floor. So again, take your weight, your your barbell, engage through the hips, lock the knees down. It's almost like you're trying to lift your heels off the ground and then come down just as far as you can. If you can get flat to the floor, great. Just make sure that you've got the strength to pull yourself back out again. So again, that is the Pancake Good Morning.